Can a bill payment be canceled on Rocket Money? Intro. Hey there, you've just paid a bill on Rocket Money, only to realize you made a mistake. Maybe you paid the wrong amount, or perhaps the bill wasn't due yet. You're left wondering, can I cancel this payment? Hook. In today's video, we're diving into that very question. Can you cancel a bill payment on Rocket Money? We'll explore the steps involved, potential limitations, and offer some tips to avoid such situations in the future. Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Rocket Money does. It's a personal finance app designed to help you manage your bills, track your spending, and even find ways to save money. One of its core features is the ability to pay bills directly through the app. Understanding bill payment cancellation. Now, let's address the main question. Can you cancel a bill payment on Rocket Money? The short answer is, it depends. Factors affecting cancellation. Here are some factors that influence whether or not you can cancel a payment. Timing. The sooner you realize your mistake, the better your chances of cancellation. Some providers may have strict deadlines for payment reversals. Payment method. The method you use to pay can also play a role. For instance, if you used a credit card, the card issuer might have its own policies regarding chargebacks. Provider policies. Ultimately, the provider you're paying, e.g., your utility company, internet service provider, has the final say. Their specific policies and procedures will determine if cancellation is possible. Steps to attempt cancellation. If you think you can cancel a payment, here's what you should do. Contact Rocket Money support. The first step is to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support team. They can provide guidance and may be able to assist you directly. Contact the provider. In some cases, you might need to contact the provider you were paying directly. They can confirm if cancellation is possible and provide instructions. Document everything. Keep a record of all your communications, including dates, times, and the names of the people you spoke to. This can be helpful if you need to escalate the issue later on. Tips to prevent future mistakes. To avoid these kinds of situations in the future, consider these tips. Double-check. Before making a payment, always double-check the amount, due date, and recipient information. Set reminders. Use Rocket Money's features or other tools to set reminders for upcoming bill payments. Review regularly. Periodically review your bill payment history to ensure everything is accurate. Conclusion. So, can you cancel a bill payment on Rocket Money? While it's possible in some cases, it depends on various factors like timing, payment method, and provider policies. If you find yourself in this situation, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's support team and the provider directly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.